Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to use green screen video in CapCut apps. So first you can tap on your project, select the green screen video that you want to edit, and just tap on the video, and then you can remove the background. So just click, select cutout, and select chroma key for this kind of the video, and just select green screen just for the intensity and the shadow, check mark. Alright, so click add to add the background, or you can add canvas to add the background. Select background available here. Alright, just click check mark, and then here we go. So that's how you can use the green screen video in the CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.